Here's a peaceful moment from my desk. My finished koi pond bathed in soft light, resting quietly beside my computer. It's small, calm, and full of stories. Let's begin at the very base. I'm shaping an irregular oval of air dry clay. No ruler needed, just my hands. Following the idea of a pond that's grown naturally. Then, with slow care, I begin forming tiny pebbles. Each one is shaped and placed with intention. Their taupe and ivory tones give this little world a grounded feeling. Now for the heart of the scene, the koi fish. I roll a soft coral peach clay into plump little fish. I sculpt their tails to look as if they're swaying gently underwater. Like what you see so far? Make sure to like and subscribe. It means the world to me. Thank you. A few brushstrokes later, each fish has a pattern of its own. Their colors are soft, warm, and dreamlike, just like the rest of our little pond. With sage green clay, I roll out tiny lily pads. I press veins with a needle into their surface and give them a slight cup, just enough to catch a ripple or a raindrop. Next, I'm painting the pond in layers of aqua blue. It's a nice base for our resin that will come on top later. Time to bring the pond to life. Now comes the part I love the most, the resin pour. I carefully flood the pool with glossy resin, tilting it here and there to give it a chance to flow into the nooks and crevices. This is so satisfying to watch. As the resin settles, the whole pond comes to life. Use a rubber spatula to help fill in the deficits. A few resin droplets land on the lily pads, catching light like real water. Time to cure. With the pond complete, I sculpt its gentle guardian, a small, round bunny without limbs yet. Just a soft body and tilted head, like it's pausing mid-thought. She finds her place by the pond's edge. It's where she belongs. I add her limbs slowly. First, I begin with her legs. Then I will move on to her arms, resting on her knees. She's still curious and just a little bit magical. Now she rests beside my keyboard next to my computer, watching, holding peace. This pond may be tiny, but it feels like a whole world. Thank you for sharing with me.